AI is coming for your job. Not in 10 years. Not in 5 years. Right now. In 2026. And the scary part is, most people have no idea which jobs are getting replaced first. In the next 8 minutes, I will show you exactly which jobs AI is replacing this year, which jobs are actually safe, and most importantly, what you should do right now to protect your career. This is not fear-mongering. This is reality. Let me show you. Let me be brutally honest. These jobs are being replaced as we speak. Customer service representatives. Companies are using AI chatbots that handle thousands of conversations simultaneously. They never get tired, never get frustrated, never need breaks. ChatGPT, Claude, and custom AI agents are replacing entire call center teams. If you work in customer service, your job is at serious risk. Data entry clerks. AI can process data 1,000 times faster than humans with 0 errors. Companies are using AI to automatically extract information from documents, emails, and forms. This job will not exist in 5 years. Basic content writers. If your job is writing simple product descriptions, basic blog posts, or social media captions, AI can do this in seconds. Companies are already using ChatGPT and Jasper AI instead of hiring writers. The writing jobs that survive will be creative, strategic, and require human insight. Telemarketers and cold callers. AI voice agents can make thousands of calls per day. They sound human. They follow scripts perfectly. They never get discouraged by rejection. This industry is dying fast. Basic graphic designers. AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva. AI can create logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials in minutes. If your design work is template-based and formulaic, you are replaceable. I am not saying this to scare you. I am saying this because it is happening right now and you need to know. These jobs are not being replaced yet, but the technology already exists. It is just a matter of time. Accountants and bookkeepers. AI can categorize transactions, file taxes, detect fraud, and generate financial reports automatically. Basic accounting work will be completely automated. The accountants who survive will be strategic advisors, not number crunchers. Truck drivers and delivery drivers. Self-driving technology is advancing rapidly. Tesla, Waymo, and others are testing autonomous vehicles right now. Within 3 years, many delivery routes will be driverless. This affects millions of jobs. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI can review thousands of legal documents in minutes. It can FND precedents, draft contracts, and identify relevant case law faster than any human. Junior legal work is disappearing. Radiologists and medical diagnostics. AI can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with higher accuracy than human doctors. It can detect diseases earlier. Medical diagnosis is becoming automated. Doctors will focus on treatment and patient care, not reading scans. Factory workers and assembly line jobs. Robots controlled by AI are replacing human workers in manufacturing. They work 24/7. They do not need salaries, benefits, or breaks. This trend is accelerating. Travel agents. AI can plan entire trips, book flights and hotels, create itineraries, and find the best deals instantly. Why pay a human when AI does it better and faster for free? Now the good news. These jobs are safe because they require things AI cannot do. Therapists and counselors. AI cannot provide genuine human empathy, emotional connection, or deep understanding of complex human experiences. Therapy requires trust and human presence. AI cannot replace this. Teachers and educators. AI can provide information, but it cannot inspire students, adapt to individual learning styles in real time, or build meaningful relationships. Great teaching is human. Nurses and caregivers. Healthcare requires physical touch, emotional support, and human judgment in unpredictable situations. AI can assist but cannot replace the human element of care. Electricians, plumbers, and skilled trades. These jobs require physical work in unpredictable environments. Every house is different. Every problem is unique. AI and robots cannot handle this complexity yet. Creative directors and strategic thinkers. AI can generate content, but it cannot understand brand strategy, cultural context, or make bold creative decisions. High-level creative work requires human insight. Sales professionals and relationship builders. Complex B2B sales require building trust, understanding nuanced needs, and navigating human relationships. AI can assist, but top salespeople are irreplaceable. Managers and leaders. Leadership requires emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, team building, and inspiring people. AI cannot lead humans. It can provide data but not vision. Here is exactly what you should do based on your situation. If your job is at risk, you have 3 options. Option 1. Learn to use AI as your tool. Do not compete against AI. Use AI to become 10 times more productive. If you are a writer, use AI to research and draft, then add your unique voice. If you are a designer, use AI to generate ideas quickly, then refine with your expertise. Become the person who uses AI better than anyone else in your company. You become irreplaceable. Option 2. Develop skills. I cannot replicate. Focus on creativity, strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and relationship building. These are uniquely human. Take courses in leadership, communication, negotiation. Build skills that require human judgment and empathy. Option 3. Switch careers now while you have time. Look at the safe jobs I mentioned. Can you transition into healthcare, skilled trades, education, or creative strategy? Start training now. Do not wait until you lose your job to make a change. If your job is currently safe, do not get comfortable. Keep learning. Technology changes fast. A safe job today might be at risk in 3 years. Stay adaptable. Keep developing new skills. Embrace AI in your work. Even if your job is safe, AI can make you better at it. Teachers can use AI to create lesson plans. Nurses can use AI to track patient data. Plumbers can use AI to diagnose complex systems. Use the tools. Build multiple income streams. Do not rely on one job. Use AI to start a side business, create content, or freelance. Diversify your income so you are never dependent on one employer. Here is what most people get wrong about AI and jobs. AI is not replacing all jobs. It is replacing tasks. If your entire job is one repetitive task, yes, you are at risk. But most jobs are collections of different tasks. AI will automate some tasks, and humans will focus on others. The future is not humans versus AI. The future is humans with AI versus humans without AI. The people who learn to use AI effectively will thrive. The people who resist AI will struggle. My advice: do not fear AI. Learn it, use it, master it, make it your competitive advantage. This transition will be hard for many people. I am not sugarcoating that. But there will also be new opportunities we cannot even imagine yet. Just like the internet created millions of jobs that did not exist before, AI will do the same. Stay informed, stay adaptable, keep learning. You will be okay. If this video helped you understand what is happening and what to do, hit the like button. Subscribe to AI Tools Hub for honest discussions about AI and the future. Comment below with your job and I will tell you honestly if you should be worried. Thanks for watching.